Have you noticed that your yeast is not rising anytime you apply it to your dough or puff mixture or so many other things you can use yeast to produce? Have you run a yeast test? It's time to learn how to run a yeast test. Welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. Today I have two different yeasts. They are all active yeast. So I decided to do this test running of a thing. Do you have your yeast? Do you have sugar? Let's go. With warm water. I don't need hot water. If you add hot water kills your yeast. We don't need hot water. I say lukewarm water. That's what you need to activate this yeast, and be sure that your yeast is working. Let's start. Right now, I'll measure out my yeast. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, please click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video, so that if I drop new video, you will not miss it. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alert of my new video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're all welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video. Feel free to comment, ask question. I love you so much. Now I will add in sugar to the yeast I've measured out. Like I said before, lukewarm water, as in just like warm water, not hot water. Don't mind that I'm using a kettle, but the main thing, the water is warm, not hot. Warm water, not hot. Don't use hot water in any mixture you are using yeast, please. It kills your yeast. After adding your sugar, stir very well and you cover. For 15 minutes, you come back. There are a lot of things you will notice in these two different yeast. This is active yeast, so normal active yeast, but there are a lot of difference. You can see the color of this one, you can see the color of this. That simply means some people have yeast in their shop or in cake shops around you, and it will stay for a long time in their shop, and yet you will come around to buy yeast, they will give it to you, you will use it and it is not working, and you are the yeast is not working. You need to check very well. Any yeast you're purchasing this time around, if you're purchasing a little that you're not having the full pack where you can have access to the expiring date, please make sure you run a test to be sure you're using the correct yeast. Thank you. After 15 minutes, I'm back again. Please, anything you notice, I need it on the comment section. We need to answer these questions ourselves. Can you see any difference? Please put on the comment section. Just be checking what is going on. Are you noticing anything about these two different yeasts? They are all active yeasts, yet are you seeing what is going on? So you need to wake up as a baker. Make sure you are awake. A lot of things are happening right now. They will sell it to you, just is yeast. This is yeast, but the only thing is, it has been stored in the shop for a long time. So if you come, they will sell it to you that is yeast, and you will go home and you will suffer. Please make sure you're running a test on your yeast before usage, except you're buying a full pack, so you can assess the expiring date. This is the correct one. You can see it has already foamed up because your region is active now. You see, you can go ahead and use it, and you will see your dough or your mixture coming up. So if you love this video, make sure you click the like button, give me some thumbs up, comment on the questions are accepted. Feel free to comment and feel free to ask questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new video. Progressive Cakes and Nourishment loves you so much. Bye bye.